Friends, greetings. Hope you are doing well. Let's talk about Sundial growers. Now, I haven't talked about Sundial growers in about a week or so because they've just been getting destroyed. And in my last video that I talked about them, I warned people like, don't get too heavy into Sundial growers because it's gonna take some heat, in which it did. But I still believe this is a stock, and a cannabis stock at that you should probably hold on to and that you definitely want to keep on the watch list or even invest in or stay in it. And I'm going to give you some reasons why. So first things first, I'm going to go right into a chart with Sundial because we're seeing something happening here really good. So all of last week, we'll say, as the market started to come back, Sundial came back too. Very slow, but a very good slow pace. And right now we are seeing Sundial slowly take steps up. And this is really good. This is healthy. We've got 1, we've got 2, and we've got 3. Now I am aware there's a lot of you that bought Sundial around February 10th when it hit around a $2.95 range. And people thought, hey, this thing's really gonna keep going up here. Well, that's the same time the stock plummeted, and that's the same time that Sundial came in and took an offering. I actually believe they took 2 offerings, and they took that money and they pumped it right into the company, which is good and which is what you want to see. But still, the stock took a hit on that, and with everyone shooting out at the same time and taking money and running. So now what is left? What do we have to gain from this stock? Is it even worth it, or am I gonna get my money back? I'm sure a lot of you are wondering. So looking at the chart with that walk up right now, that walk up is happening for a specific reason too. The market is coming back and Sundial is taking effects from that, but there also is one thing that's about to happen, and that is the quarterly reports are about to come out for Sundial. And this is pretty much normal when you have a company that is coming out with quarterly reports. It'll slowly, gradually build up. This could get pumped up to $2 to $2.50 again, just this week, starting Monday into Tuesday and then Wednesday with the release of the news. And then I would expect to see, if we were to hit around a $2.50 to $3 range, a massive sell-off. So what I'm trying to tell you this week with Sundial growers, if you're in right now at the 140s, 130 stage, I would feel pretty safe there. But buying Sundial right now above $2, I would be very cautious because, you know, guys, this company is really gonna have to get a lot of things moving, and we're gonna have to see more from the Biden circuit legalizing marijuana more, to where companies like this can strive. There have been no more talks about Sundial taking another stock offering. Could they? Yeah, absolutely, they could. If this were to hit a $3 to $4 range again here soon, they could do another stock offering, which that would hold the stock back more. So when people are saying Sundial is going to hit a $10 range, you know, could it hit a $10 mark? You know, sure, absolutely. This is the stock market. There's no rules. I say that a lot, but it would be off pure hype and not numbers, because when this earnings report comes out, we're not really expecting it to be great. We're expecting it to be enough to keep the company going, to keep the stock up at least into the $1.50 range. But friends, what Sundial needs, it needs investors. It needs investors that believe in it. It needs investors that are going to stay here and not just go in and out of it for little short trades. It needs investors that are buying large amount of shares, like, you know, 5,000 shares, 10,000 shares. And it needs more good news. This is what I see with Sundial. Use this as encouragement. Use this as saying, just be careful. You're probably going to see some high numbers this week with Sundial. We'll probably see some good numbers, but you know, I would be very careful buying Sundial around $2 and above right now, because we still need to see a lot happen here. But yes, this is a great company for the future. Great cannabis stock, and if it can hold a $1.50, $2 range, I think we're going to be well on our way into a $3 to $4 range towards the end of the year, and especially when Biden starts talking about cannabis stocks a lot more, and I think that's going to start to happen here very soon. But friends, thank you so much. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think. Remember, be positive, be you, and I will talk to you very soon, friends. God bless you. Bye-bye.